Users might be drawn to the overall look shown in the inspirational image on the intermediary category page and feel tempted to buy some or all of the featured products. Without a simple way to find them, users might give up trying to locate all the featured products, missing out on the full curated look. Hi, I'm Christian Holst, co-founder of Baymart Institute, and today I'm presenting guideline number 312 of Baymart's original large-scale usability test findings: provide direct access to products depicted in inspirational images. Whenever inspirational images are used, users should always have an easy way to access the depicted products so they can quickly find and purchase them. There are three main strategies to make this possible. The first strategy is to include a link or overlay directly from the inspirational image that lists the featured products. For example, Target uses a shopping bag icon on their imagery. Clicking it opens a curated overlay showing all the items in the look, making it easy to shop everything shown. This approach works especially well for fully styled outfits or room setups, where users often want to replicate the entire look. For instance, on Zalando, users can click on thumbnails linked to a look to quickly access the featured items, making it easier to purchase one or more products. Another strategy is linking inspirational images to product lists, with the featured items placed at the top for easy visibility. For example, on Victoria's Secret's sleep category page, the Shop Now button below the image leads to a list where the highlighted products appear first, making it simple for interested users to explore and buy them. This kind of inspirational image, tied to a curated seasonal category, places the featured products at the top of the following listing page, so users interested in those items can access them right away without needing to scroll or search. Another effective strategy is using clickable tags within the inspirational image. For example, at article, users can tap on indicators in the image to reveal overlays with product details and direct links, making it easy to explore and shop the featured items. On IKEA's site, users can easily access any featured item in a living room photo by hovering over the image and clicking on the tags, which take them straight to the relevant product pages. These were just a few highlights from our research findings. We offer much more in-depth guidance on optimizing your intermediary category pages. To explore further, visit baymart.com/product.